Hi, my name's Ken Scott and I'm Chair of Maidstone Area Arts Partnership. It's an organisation that seeks to represent the interests of about 50 arts and cultural organisations in Maidstone. It was no surprise and a great honour to be asked to organise the Mayor's charity concert Raise the Roof.
Yes, I'm Mayor of Maidstone, Malcolm Greer. We've had a fantastic year. We've been engaged with over 300 events. Majority have been absolutely excellent.
I'm Catherine Ridgway and I'm the Artistic Director of this wonderful event, Raise the Roof. We've got a variety of ensembles performing. We've got 2 chorus societies, 2 community choirs, 2 smaller ensembles, BAE Systems Brass, we've got Kevin Ashman, and we've got Hilton Hall Dance Academy taking part. So as you can see, it's going to be a wonderful event.
It's a concert that's going to have something like 350 performers. They will come from 8 different cultural organisations in Maidstone. They're performing a fantastic range of music, and I think it's going to be a really good concert. There's going to be something for everybody, and to be able to come together to perform in an amazing venue, All Saints Church, we're very, very lucky. All Saints Church is a fantastic venue to put this concert on. It's a big space, the acoustics are fantastic, and it's an inspirational venue for us to use.
The church is like a cathedral. It is absolutely fantastic. And you kind of look at it and like all these old buildings, they need ongoing maintenance. And as far as I know, that no mayor has actually wanted to put money into, or has actually put money into the church. So I thought it would be a fantastic idea just to kind of, at the end of my year, is to have a really big concert. The other thing which we really need to drive in Maidstone is the talent we've got. And that's one of the reasons why we're doing Raise the Roof concert on 13th of May.
It's been very exciting to get to know Malcolm and his wife during this year. He's been very supportive of all music making in the area. So important to keep this going, live music making. So to end his mayoral term, it seemed fitting to put on a concert like this, and I'm honoured and privileged to be involved.
Tickets for adults are £8. If you're a student over the age of 12 and under the age of 18, it's £4, and under 12s are £2.
I'm sure it'll be a wonderful event that everybody will enjoy performing and everybody will enjoy listening, so we hope to see you there.
We've got 350 performers coming, the band, dancers, but as far as I'm concerned, it's doing something for the church. We need to recognise the church. We use it all the time, and I think anything we can do to help that along the way is an absolute plus.
We really would like to encourage families to come along and have a great time. It's on Sunday, the 13th of May, in All Saints Church, starting at 6:30, and I look forward to seeing you there.
It is an absolute privilege for me to be involved in this. It is absolutely fantastic. Something you can never buy.